Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am planting my garlic, although I'm actually planting this in mid-December. This is long overdue. I have amended the raised bed with chicken manure, cow manure, some compost, and added the manure. What you're seeing right here are some bone meal. I also added some blood meal, and now I made some furrows. This is really very simple and easy to do, and you can do this, and it's so easy to grow garlic because all you just have to do is to put it in the ground, give it a little bit of manure and fertilizer, and leave it, and you will have plenty of garlic in the spring. I apologize about the noise. I'm filming outside. My neighbor's kids are actually in the back end playing with their friends. Let's get started. Here is a bag of my garlics that I harvested in early spring. Some of them have already started sprouting. And so all I'm just going to do is to grab it like this. You don't want to take it off. You don't need to remove the dry skin. And you just place it like this in the ground and cover it, water it. And if you like, you can mulch it. I have some dead leaves right here that I may use to mulch the area. I am going to put on my gloves and we get this show rolling. Now I am going to put them about 5 to 6 inches apart. It's much easier to do this without. Once you place them just like this, all you just need to do is to just cover it, but be sure to place it with the tips up. After planting it, you can choose to mulch or not to mulch. Mulching has certain advantages. It keeps the temperature of the roots warm during the winter and also cools it down in the summer. If you are going to mulch it, you mulch it before you water it. We're just going to take some of these old dried leaves from the garden and then we'll mulch. These are all natural and they will eventually decay and become part of the soil and compost. And then we will wet it. We do have sprinkler system, but you need to moisten the seeds just to give them a heads up. We are done watering. All we just have to do is to let this be and water it maybe once a week and hope to harvest a whole lot of garlic during the spring season by April or May. Other crops that I'm planting during this winter period are purple cabbage, purple Brussels sprouts, some carrots, and red onions. If this video has been of value to you, please like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification button so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. This is Dr. Okeke. Thank you and stay blessed.